I'd like to tell you a little bit more about our family practice opportunity. Again, we have 19 family physicians. Right now, we share a call and are on call the average of once or twice a month at the most. We are supported by a hospitalist program at our local hospital who takes care of adult patients, but we do some pediatric admissions, although like elsewhere in the country, they are few and far between. So most of our call is really on the phone. And we also have a call service that takes almost all our calls except some nursing home calls. So call is often very easy, and you often get to sleep through the night, which is a lot better than it was 20 years ago. We also have a wonderful support of a multi-specialty group that we work with, as well as the system, which gives the support for our care management, initiatives, quality, and service. And recently, we have many areas within Aurora Sheboygan Clinic, as well as Aurora Medical Group, that have been certified and recognized as patient-centered medical homes. We're very proud of this, and we feel a patient-centered medical home not only helps us deliver the best care to our patients, but also helps us attract and retain great physicians to our group.